I get scared of these. Good. Let me ask you first thing. All of you are from marketing and sales? No. How many of you are from marketing? Okay, great. And rest? I can't hear. I want students to answer it. Next 30 years, you got to be bold, bright, intelligent, and outspoken. If you don't speak now in the campus, you will never speak even to your wives and husbands. Speak out. That's marketing. That's sale. You're trying to sell yourself, right? So communicate, no? Communication is very important. Whether you are behind a computer or behind any product. If you are unable to communicate, you might have created a world-class product, you cannot sell. You cannot market it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So let me ask you again, how many of you are non-marketing? Wonderful. Good. You can come in. I was also last bench student. These 4 seats are vacant. You can come over, some of you, if you are comfortable. Okay, take. Thank you for introducing myself to the lady there. And let me appreciate the institution for extending an invitation to be here with you and share some of the anecdotes, some of the experiences, practical. Isn't it? You have not stepped into the practical life. World is very different. What you learn, read in Philip Kotler book, after your examination, you will keep it as an asset in your library, in your home. You'll never again, next 30-40 years, you'll refer that. Because practical life is very different. Very, very different. How many of you believe that everything is marketing and sales? Is marketing and sales two different things?
Yes, sir.
How is it? I feel marketing is part of sales.
Part of it.
Part of it? How many agree?
Sales is part of marketing.
How many don't agree? Rest of it. तो 20 वाले भी है क्या? Agree 2 है, don't agree 1 है, बाकी 60 लोग किधर है? You need to decide. So this is also one of the important exercise. If you don't decide whether you want to be on this side of the ground or that side of the ground, you are like a third empire, neutral. I laughed only when the players asked me for my review. Then you are lost. Beautiful World Cup ho jata hai, nobody talks or knows that there is a third empire sitting. So if you want to be seen, heard, appreciated, talk. Okay? How many, the whole day we are talking to our friends, relatives on the WhatsApp. Right? But when it comes to one-to-one talking, you have to, because sales and marketing is all about talking on behalf of a dumb product. Why dumb? If there's a pen, it will not speak to you. Who has to speak? It is we who have to speak. The USPs of a pen. This is world number brand. Very designed, act, latest in the aerodynamics. Right? Unless you don't describe about the product, who is going to buy it? So you need to speak. Okay, so I expect today's session to be an interactive session rather than one-sided. रोज तो lectures होते हैं 10-12 lectures, one-sided ही होता होगा. Our lecturers also got sick of कोई पूछता भी नहीं यार क्यों Google है. By the time I finish my lecture, your entire answer sheets are ready with you on your hand. दुनिया मेरी मुट्ठी में. Right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But when we were studying, we didn't even have ट्रांजिस्टर कमेंट्री सुनना है तो अपनी दुकान के बाहर जाके सुनते थे, क्या स्कोर हुआ, अच्छा, then run to school. Today you have everything on your palm. You can do any damn thing sitting here. I can scan, I can go through the Dubai Mall sitting here. 100 story of Dubai Mall. I can sit here and see which floor में कौन सा showroom है, washroom कहाँ है, escalators कहाँ है. Technology. So tech marketing have to go hand in hand today's world and in future. When we were studying MBAs, रट्टा, कोई और पढ़ रहा है तो अपन सुनने का, right? But today you got knowledge on your answer. But nevertheless, since you have to come to an institute, it has to be an interactive session. Ask, get clarified. And when you step out of the room, you should have absolute clarity. That's is sales and marketing. If I ask you to come and sell me one product, how do you want to start? Let's say I'll ask this gentleman, what's your name?
Vinayak, sir.
Vinayak, you have a pen on you? Now assume that you are carrying a pen. You are a salesman.
Yes.
Now I am a customer, prospective. Now come and sell to me.
Pen.
Yeah. Let's do some practical exposure so that we learn a lot of things. Oh, wonderful. Come.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
So my name is Vinayak, and I am from a company which sells pen. And this is my pen, and this is a unique pen. This reads your mind and gives you more examples to write.
Okay, let's pause. All of you observe what is good, what is minus, missing, right? Then we'll deal with it. Let's get more practical, interactive session. Yeah, you can start from beginning.
Hello, sir. My name is Vinayak, and I am from X-Pen company. So this is a pen, and I think you need this pen. And this has very nice USPs. You can see this is very this doesn't stick to any shirts. It is reusable. You can refill this pen.
Good. He never sold pen in his life. Neither he thought he'll sell a pen. But the moment I gave him a second choice, I took a break in between. I said, let's absorb. Then he slightly improvised. He started saying the name of the company also. What was the name of the company he said? X-Pen. First time he said, I belong to a company. Okay, so these are few things are very apt and very important to convince a customer at the end of your sales pitch. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with your own presentation. If you have to sell any product under the sky, first thing is to what? Which is very difficult and most difficult thing is to sell yourself. अपने आप को बेचोगे कहाँ? You cannot sell. नहीं यार मेरा prestige है. I come from this family. I can't go like a salesman. I can't carry pen sets in my bag. Tie बांध दो, गाड़ी पे जाओ, 50 calls करो दिन में. Something on PJPs, sales and marketing, permanent journey plan. Monday, left side of the road I will go. Tuesday, left side, right side of the road I will go. Wednesday, I will go to that market again, left side and right side. Friday, आधा दिन market नहीं जाने का. क्यों? नमाज है सर, तो शॉप पे दुकान बंद रहता है. So, first is sell yourself. I am so and so. I come from so and so. Right? Then, I have got something should interest you. This gentleman was telling, it can be of your use. Fine. How you put it across is important in sales. But first few minutes is important for you to continue a discussion with the prospective customer. So you need to sell yourself. How do you sell? You're groomed well. You're dressed up well. Right? Your welcome introduction, name, company, and your pleasantness is important. Nobody wants to face a rude seller, right? So this is what happens in a sale. Whether you are in a technical background, you develop a software, how do you want to sell? You develop a package, software, antivirus, I don't know what all you can do it. But who's going to sell for you? First is sell the concept to your senior management, right? Then they'll say, okay, develop on this product. So sales all starts with all 5 P's or 6 P's, I don't know how many are there.
7.
Oh, R7 ho gaya kya? Which is the 7th one? I'm not aware. Physical?
Evidence.
Okay. Did you do that?
Yes.
He showed me the pen, no? So physical evidence. No, P's are there. It's going to be there for the next centuries. There's something called E's of coming. Alphabet E. For a young budding entrepreneur or somebody who's aspiring to take up a job, either private, government. So I feel P's are there, somebody's put those P's. Now E's are coming in. That is, you enter first. Enter into the segment, enter into this industry, enter into an organization, enter into your family business. First enter. Don't predefine and say, nahi, nahi, mere pitaji hai kiya, maine karna hai. Right? Then, when you enter, you explore. All this 30 years, somebody has done something. Can I do something very different? Can I explore something new? Can I create some value-added features? Can I enhance the USPs? What is USP? Can I do this? My dad used to do this way of business last 50 years. Do I want to continue the same? No. I would like to bring in some new changes. So explore. Then experience it. 1 week you sit with your HR team, understand what are they doing. 1 week you sit with your finance team, understand what are they doing. 1 week you sit with the sales and hardcore sales and marketing team, what are they doing. In sales you go and sit some few days in customer care center, understand how your people are talking to your customers, existing and future. Then you go to the R&D team, research and development, why this product is not getting sold off the shelf, why it is standing in for 6 months, why the seller, retailer is unable to sell, why the primary sales are low but the secondary sales is high. What is primary sales? What I built to my distributor. Okay. Secondary sale, what the retailer sells to the end user. Right? Suppose अगर end user का sale नहीं हो रहा और मैं यहाँ दबा के pressure करके distributor को माल बेचते जा रहा हूँ. One fine day will come and say तुम्हारा माल वापस ले लो मेरा पैसा दे दो. Because your product doesn't sell. And there is no marketing effort. There is no poster. There is no dangler. Those days I am talking about. These days, social marketing is coming. Social media handles. Within a fraction of a second, what is launched in the month of September, the iPhone launches. You remember? When does iPhone launch every model? In the month of September. That's everybody knows. September तक रुकूंगा देखूंगा नया मॉडल क्या हो रहा है. But unable to sell. So that's where marketing skills are required. That's where sales skills are required. That's where the IT team is also required these days. Modify the product, enhance the life, enhance the features. Highly competitive market, so you need to be highly innovative. If you don't innovate, you'll still stay there. Somebody will take over and then go take away your market share. So coming back to ease, enter, explore, experience. Experience every bit of it. Marketing, it doesn't mean that you straight away get into Amazons and kind of stuff. Slog. Put your initial 1-2 years to slog to understand the market dynamics. How will the consumer react to your product if you're doing a demo in a mall, in a housing society, in a corporate office? Experience it. Give the feedback back to the product team. Give the feedback to the finance team. आपका pricing बहुत ज़्यादा है, competitor is offering much lesser price. So experience it. Then you enhance it. Can I upgrade this product? Every 6 months iPhone launches a new product. Can I enhance it? Right? Then encash. Then you don't have to do anything. You just keep supplying. माल बिकते जा. इसके बाद में enrich with your knowledge. So ease up. My experience. Because I've gone through the entire journey of sales and marketing. I also did my MBA from Bharati Vidyapeeth. I belong to Hyderabad, but 2 years we came here and had fun. I studied in Sholapur, in fact, not in Pune. Because Sholapur is halfway through from Hyderabad, so we said, okay, चलो मस्ती भी करेंगे, एक सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल जाएगा MBA. But we realized कि MBA सर्टिफिकेट से कुछ हो रहा था. You need to work hard. I joined from the campus recruit for PepsiCo. You remember PepsiCo? My first few months was sitting on the truck with the loader. You know, those days loader चप्पल भी नहीं रहता था. एक towel इधर होता था. I used to walk, put the crate here, go, filled once, pick up the empties, put them in the rack, and that in the right rack. There are 4-5 flavors: Pepsi, mango, 7-Up, right? We start with them, and there's also soda, CO2. Okay, so we struggled. जब तक आपका collar black नहीं होता ना शाम तक, don't leave the market. Nothing is going to happen in your home, but learn practically. Go on the routes every day. 4 o'clock reporting at the factory. MBA करके 4 बजे उठ के काम कौन बोला यार इसको? फैक्ट्री के गेट के पास खड़ो, एंट्री करो, कौन सा गाड़ी में बैठा है, they will tell you. Then sit down. Then ask the driver who's also a salesman. सर आज कहाँ जाना है? पता नहीं सर, यहाँ से तो निकलेंगे पहले देखेंगे. Dangerous. If you don't know what you need to do during the next 8 to 10 hours, don't move ahead. So there's a gate meeting which used to happen at 4:30. Gate meeting. Me, the loader, दो loader and the driver, 4 of us. Plan. कौन सा market जाना है? A या B. A is Mondays, B is Tuesdays. Right? So these kind of things happen early morning before 5. You know why? Because by the time I reach, the markets are already open, 10 kilometers away. Factories are somewhere outside the city. By the time you come, you never know, the competitor guy has already put in some stock in that retail show. हमारे से जो पहले जाएगा उसका माल लेगा. Highly competitive. Even today, colas are highly competitive. You see the latest ad? Champions Trophy. What's the latest ad? Guys, you need to keep your eyes open always, ears open always. Understand what's happening globally. You have social handle, media handler. Understand what's happening in sales and marketing. What is the latest ad of Coke which is happening right now?
Half time.
One round of appreciation for your lecturer. Sir, I expect them to do that, okay? Boss, you need to Okay. What is the ad? Sir told. Did you see that ad? Where? Did you see, yes or no? Where did you see? Phones? कहाँ पे? Social media पे? Since 3 days, there's a lot of debate happening on this particular latest debate, Cola Wars. What did Pepsi come out with? Coke said half time because the matches are happening. Coke is the official drink for the matches. They serve when? Drinks are served when? Break time, half time. What did Coke, Pepsi do the counter? They came out with an ad. Anytime, every time, Pepsi. Why only half time? And you see the image? The Coke is shown half filled in a glass, whereas the Pepsi is shown full. मतलब लोग ज़्यादा मेरा पीते हैं, तेरा आधा ही पीते हैं. I mean, look, these are very important to understand. When you see an ad on the TV or the newspaper or on the social media, go behind that and understand who is created and what is the purpose of, and what is it communicating to the world. Two large giants, and the third giant is getting built up slowly. Which is the new brand? Campa. And who are the people behind Campa? Ambanis. They can kill the market. They can kill the market within no time. They have done it in telecom. They have done in every industry. They can kill this market. They can kill both Coke and Pepsi. That's the reason Coke and Pepsi is putting in more marketing efforts to make it lively. Log bhul gaye abhi Coke. Given a choice, I would prefer a tender coconut. Obviously, yeah. Itne saal COTP. I was working for Pepsi for almost 13 years. If I put my hand like this, I used to get a Pepsi free of cost. Office mein and ghar pe. So this is all about Pepsi. Now I realize, Arey Baba. So I tell my kids not to have carbonated drinks. Environment is changing, na? Lifestyle is changing. How many of you go to the ground and play some games? Hands up. Only one. Look, environment has changed. When we were there, all 90% would say, I am going to play cricket and other sports. तुम अपने पढ़ाई कर लो घर में. अभी reverse हो गया. You know why? Answer. आज इंसान ऐसा नहीं है. इसका मुंडी ऐसा है. Always on the answer. Lecturer कुछ पढ़ा रहा है, छोड़ यार. Unfortunately, this is turning like this. Then comes a laptop when you join a company. Okay, so laptops and all, they change the environment. Hardly we go. I remember my parents used to call back in the evening. बहुत हो गया खेल अभी घर आओ. खाना तो खा ले. अरे नहीं अभी आना. रात में 9 बजे आना है, स्नान करना है. That was the life. But today, parents are trying to push the kids out. जाओ ग्राउंड में जाओ, वॉकिंग जाओ, जिम जाओ, वहां जाओ. नहीं. Right? Now, for a person who is doing tick, 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 what is going to sell? Maybe the neck pillows in future. इसलिए एयरपोर्ट में देखो, there is a stall selling only neck pillows. People buy like crazy. But change your lifestyle, no? Dedicate little time for your physical fitness because you need to survive. You need to sell products, you need to market products, you need to create products. Okay? And especially in context to the subject today, startups. In this environment where I don't step out for a morning walk for 10 minutes and I want to create a company or work for a startup, ये तो चलता ही नहीं. Google कर यार, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्या हो रहा है देखते, वो implement करें. अरे यार, those customers are different. Those markets are different. Those habits, cultures are different. इंडिया में वड़ा पाव भी बेच सकते हैं आप कहीं भी. Provided you have a strategy. Provided you have a thorough plan. You need to identify who is your customer. Customer insights is must. Before this gentleman came to me, he should have at least thought कि doctor है, advocate है या SME है, किराना वाला है. So understand. Then you change your pitch. Moment you see a doctor, morning sir, किराना वाला था, ये लेना है क्या? This is what happens for a human being. You change quickly. Don't do that. Study, weigh your weighing. Who is this customer? The customer walking into your shop or an office, understand little bit of background. Spend 5 minutes with him. What क्या करते हैं अपने life में? Who are you? What is that you're doing? Then I can think what to pitch, how to pitch, and when to pitch. अब शुरू में बोलते मेरा गोल्ड का शॉप है, बोलता यार यहाँ खाना खाने को टाइम पैसा नहीं है, मेरे को गोल्ड क्या भेजना. This happens. Consumer behavior is important. You need to keep continuously observing a prospective customer. Not everybody is going to like your product. Not everybody is going to buy your product. But how will you survive? You have created क्या? एक दुकान लिया है, एक कंपनी लिया है, कुछ प्रोडक्ट बनाने की विजन है आपका, सामने कैसे भेजोगे? Stocks are there full, no sales, no cash. और बीच में सेल्स रिटर्न भी है. तो कस्टमर बोलता है सर एक्सपायर हो गया, डीमार्ट ने बोला ये नहीं चलता, वापस ले लो. You know how DMart operates? Spend some time with their team. Go to DMart. Spend half a day. It's tough. So अच्छा दिखता है. The amount of hard work those employees do back end, crazy. They need to check the validity of every product every day. Then stock verification, tally. It's miserable. Thousands of customers during the first week. You know, first week buy salary. ऐसा मिला तो shopping करो, groceries खरीदना है. Tough. Sales and marketing is beautiful, provided you focus, get into it completely rather than superficial. There are 3-4 kinds of different human beings in this world. You see. Somebody says, "मैं गाड़ी नहीं चलूँगा, लेकिन गाड़ी में बैठूँगा." Somebody says, "मैं गाड़ी चलूँगा, लेकिन गियर कोई और डालेगा." So you need to be in the driver's seat if you want to drive the world along with you. Don't be a conductor because driver is taking you somewhere else where you don't want to go perhaps. But if I am driving it, my business, I'll take my team along with me and my customers to reach to my vision or mission or a common goal or an objective.